Organizing your research library effectively is crucial for keeping track of your references. You can add custom tags to any item in your Zotero library to group related materials. Take a quick moment to drop a like if you find this guide helpful. Select the reference you want to organize from your main library list. The right panel displays all the metadata fields for your selected item. Click on the metadata fields if you ever need to edit or update them. Scroll down to the bottom of the Details pane to find the Tag Manager. Click the Add Tag button to create a new tag field. Type any keyword that describes the subject matter of your reference. Press Enter to save your new tag to the item. The panel header updates instantly to show your newly assigned tag. Choose another item in your library list to assign tags to it as well. Expand the tag section at the bottom of the Details pane. As you start typing a tag you have used before, Zotero will suggest it automatically. Autocomplete suggestions help you maintain consistent naming across your entire library. Press Enter to select the matching autocomplete suggestion. You can assign multiple tags to a single reference if it covers more than one topic. Click the Add Tag button again to open a second input field. Enter another relevant keyword for your reference. Press Enter to confirm the second tag. The Details pane now lists all attached keywords under the item. The global tag selector in the bottom left sidebar displays all your created tags. You can click any tag in the sidebar to filter your library instantly. Using tags properly saves you plenty of time when searching through extensive research collections. You have now successfully learned how to create and manage custom tags in Zotero. Thank you for watching, and remember to subscribe for more research workflow tips.